What's up? My name is Colby Sharp. I'm a 5th grade teacher in Michigan. Welcome to my channel where we try to help kids fall in love with reading. If you're new here, consider subscribing because then you can be notified, like especially if you click that little bell when you subscribe anytime I post something new. And I'm often coming here onto this channel and talking about amazing books. And sometimes I talk about amazing graphic novels, and that's what we're doing today. This middle grade graphic novel, Sunny Makes a Splash. You probably know these 3 Sunny books because they're amazing. They are by the sister-brother team of Jennifer L. Holm, 3-time Newbery winning author, and Matthew Holm. And these 2 books are just so good. They're so fun. Sunny is growing up in like the late 70s. And she's just got all kinds of stuff that, you know, you're dealing with when you're growing up as a kid. And I just love experiencing these same problems and issues and worries and concerns that kids had in the 70s are the same as like kids are having today. It's summer and all of Sunny's friends are away. She's got no one to play with. There's nothing on TV. She's got to watch her siblings. It's not cool, not fun. But you know what? She figures it out. And what she does and what she has is a community pool. And I don't know about you, but I love when I read books or I watch movies and there's a community pool that kids spend a ton of time with. I don't know if that's still a thing. Like we have a pool, but you can't like go without a parent. In our community, it's been closed last year because of COVID. It's closed this year because of COVID. And it's only open like a few hours a day. But like I like the community pool. You can go to any time. It's hot and you can get out of the sun. You can go and you can swim and make friends and get into trouble and do all kinds of things. It feels like it's in tons and tons of children's literature that takes place in that 70s, 80s, and maybe early 90s settings. The scene that pops into my head is the scene in The Sandlot, where the kid fakes or jumps in, but he can't swim. So then Winnie Peppercorn has to like try to save his life with CPR, and then turns out that he didn't. He did it all. He planned it all out, and then he kisses her. It's just this awesome, amazing scene. But probably not aging well. I hadn't thought about that. Like there's no consent there. Yeah. Not good. Anyways, Sunny, it's interesting how like you process things differently the more you learn about the world, and how like you could just do that in real time on this video. So I could cut that. I'll just leave it in the video. But Sunny is, you know, she's got that community pool, and she ends up getting a chance to work at the pool and like the concession stand. And I don't know about you, but when we do go to community pool and there's a concession stand, that's the only place my kids want to go. And then there's this boy here, and her mom is worried that she's like too young to be like hanging out with boys. And is there a crush? Is there not a crush? Is there feelings? Is there not feelings? It's just an awesome middle grade graphic novel. I'll take you inside, let you see some of Matt's awesome art in here. It's really, really good. It comes out September of 2021. Sunny Makes a Splash from Jennifer L. Holm, Matthew Holm. Read it. You will love it. Your kids will love it even more. They will read it so much that it falls apart. And then next year you have to buy another copy. And that's a good problem to have. Thank you again for tuning in. I hope that you get a chance to read this book. It's phenomenal. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome, fantastic day.